In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make £1,000 from something called match betting and do it in 1 month starting with no money. Hi, my name's Chris Simcox. Welcome back to the Money Channel, where I talk about earning, spending, saving and investing money. For those of you that haven't heard of match betting before, it's basically a way that we can guarantee profits by using bookmakers' free bet offers. If you're wondering why there's a supercar behind me, the regular viewers of the channel will know I like to show off about all the money and success I have. Okay, so you might be wondering, why do bookmakers give away free money? Well, bookmakers are a business just like any other. For example, if you go to Asda and you see something that's buy one, get one free, you don't think anything of it because you're so used to seeing it. Well, bookmakers do exactly the same way to get customers to buy their product, which is gambling and giving them money. Well, they're not going to attract many people unless they've got some kind of incentive, and they do that by giving away free bets or free spins or casino bonus money and stuff like that. With match betting, we take advantage of that free money without risking our own money. Let's jump on the laptop then, and I'll show you how you can get £1,000 in 1 month and have no money of your own to start with. I've done the maths, this is completely possible, so let's get into it. So firstly, you want to sign up to a company called Oddsmonkey, and it's a really bit of clever software that allows us to do this and take advantage of all the free money out there. I've left my link in the description. If you click on that link, I do earn a small commission for you doing so, and I really appreciate it if you decide to do that. Let me quickly say now as well, if you hit the like button, I also appreciate that, as it helps this video rank up on YouTube to help other people with making money in match betting. Of course, if you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button, and if you comment below that you've subscribed, I'll get back to you in the comments with a personal thank you. Okay, so once you signed up to Oddsmonkey, you'll go on to offers and go down to new account offers, casino and games. That's going to bring you a list up of all the different account offers that you can do, and there's so many. I won't go through all the list and ruin the surprise, but there's literally just so many free casino offer, bonus money that you can take and all that. So let's just look at the first one and see what you're going to be able to make from it. The first one is UK Casino, and it's a no deposit offer. And remember, we want those because this is for people who have got no money, absolutely nothing, and want to start off and build up their bankroll, what's known as the bankroll. And once you build up your bankroll, you can then move on to larger profit bets that you can do. For example, when I started, I had £3,000 to put into it, and then I quickly built that up over the space of 6 months to £12,000. And then that allowed me to place more bets and build up more profit each and every month, to the point where I actually averaged £1,500 a month in profit. So these guides that Oddsmonkey provide you, you scroll down onto the offer and they give you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do it so that you're not risking any of your own money. Obviously, this is a no deposit offer, so there's none of your own money going into it anyway. But here, for example, you would simply sign up, register your card. You then activate your free spins by clicking the claim button on the promotions page, and you'd play through 10 free spins on the Book of Dead slot. And then there's no wagering required on the winnings, but the spins must be used within 7 days. And that's it. You have the chance to make up to £50 in winnings. So basically, all you need to do is sign up to an account, select those spins from the promotion page, use those 10 spins, and then whatever money you make, just withdraw it to your bank account. And let me show you now quickly why you should never ever play on once you've made some winnings. Okay, so this is the expected value calculator on the Oddsmonkey site, and here we can select that if you're doing a free spin offer, so you would put initial wagering £0. If the game has a RTP, which stands for return to player percentage, normally slots are around 97%. On the screen here it says 95, but I've found they're around 97%. So if we put in 97 there, the free spins for that UK Casino offer we just looked at, you get 10 free spins. The coin size normally is, it can be 10 or 20p, something like that. You can get more, but normally they're around 10 or 20p. So for this example, we'll put 20p coin size. And then the wagering was cash, so the winnings were paid as cash. So there was no wagering on that. Sometimes the offers need you to wager the winnings. So if you won £1 and it was 10 times wagering, you'd have to then spin that £1 until you'd spun £10 worth of spins. But that was, it's a completely no wagering, so you just have 0 there. So the expected value you get from that over the long run would be £1.94. And the fact that you're not putting any of your own money in there is really good, because there's absolutely nothing to invest. Your money's not held up there. You're just going to get that nearly £2 back. Now, here's why you would never then continue to spin in order to try and win more money. Those return to player rates are a set rate, and all these machines are on these online casinos are just a random number generator, and they're just set up to take your money off you slowly. And sometimes you get a big win and you might think, oh great, awesome, you know, I'm winning now, but you'll keep playing and then that'll just slowly take your money, and that's how people get roped into it. And before you know it, you deposit in more and more money and you're just losing money. So I highly recommend you do not play these games at all. You really need to just focus on the free spins and the bonus money that they're giving out in order to attract the gamblers, and not get sucked into actually gambling on these sites. So to show you that as an example, if you went onto these casino sites with just your own money and you had no free spins or bonus money, so initial wagering, you'd be putting your own £10, the return to player would be 97%, and there'd be no winnings there, so we're not going to fill those out. And over, if you did, say for example, 100 spins at 10p each to wager your £10, so 100 spins times 10p each is obviously £10. At the end of it, your expected value that you would get back would be minus 30p, which makes sense because that's our 97%. So you'll always get back 3%, depending on the game, 3% less than what you put in. That's obviously why you do not want to get sucked into playing these games. Okay, so we've gone on to the next offer now from the casino offers page, and it's Admiral Casino, and they've got 40 free spins for any new accounts signing up. And as you can see again, Oddsmonkey got the completely free guide on what to do, and the expected value there is £3.69. So as you can see, we've not had to deposit any of our own money into these, and we've made about £5 so far just off these 2 offers, which should take you less than half an hour, which is the equivalent of £10 an hour when you look at it like that. So now we built our money up to £6, and you can keep going and keep doing these 0 deposit free spin offers until you've got up to £10, and then there's quite a few where it's deposit £10 and they'll give you 20 or even 30 free spins back, and you'll make £5 or £6 off those. And then you can take your money out there, reinvest it. I don't look at match betting as gambling. I wouldn't call it gambling at all. I look at it as investing, and you're actually investing your money into these free bet offers. And once you can do that and you keep putting your money back into it, all that's going to happen is you just grow and grow your money every week. And it's quite easily achievable to hit £1,000 in 1 month if you just work at it and do it, and you're prepared to put the time in. And unfortunately, for all the people that have watched the YouTube videos on these people that provide a course that's $1,000 or £1,000 to buy and promise that you'll get rich overnight and you can make thousands, hundreds of thousands in a day, it's not possible. But with stuff like this, you can actually build up. And look, if you built up £1,000 in a month, and you can then build that up to 10,000, there's nothing stopping you then put that 10,000 into a business idea that you might have wanted to start before, but you didn't have that 10,000 to put into it. So yeah, check out Oddsmonkey, get in the link in the description, like this video, subscribe, and if you're interested in checking out any of my other videos to do with match betting or investing, I'll leave some links around the video now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.